Alright guys, what is going on everybody? Captain Namco here. So, I got me a couple of twisters that has officially joined my collection. A friend of mine that bowls at the bowling alley in Vandalia Bowl. He bowls at Vandalia Bowl in Vandalia, Illinois. He was nice enough to get me a couple of twisters. So, let's see how they both sound. Let's rotate it here. Sounds pretty good. What? And here is the other. And something I did not mention, it does say synthetic. These are synthetic pins. Here we go. For something that's sounds pretty darn good to me. Thanks for watching, y'all. And before I go, I just want to remind you guys that Jesus loves you and God bless. We'll see y'all next time with another sound test video.